Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Alright. Welcome to this Facebook Live, y'all. Okay. So I'm here riding along and stuff like that. These people going to the French Quarter Fest. Okay. I'm on the canal streetcar, cemetery streetcar. Okay. So the way I think about it, yep, riding along canal. Okay. That's what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. And I know some of these people out there going to, and for all you people know the people going to the French Quarter Fest, you know. So I'm on here just riding along before I get there, and all these people out here, they're gonna have a lot of fun, you know. So as I ride, all right, as I ride along here, doing my thing, doing the show and stuff like that, you know, people going. Hey, y'all going to the French Quarter Fest too? Y'all going to French Quarter Fest too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on my way. I'm doing the show right now. In case you're wondering, I don't want you to think I'm talking to myself. Yeah, I'm talking to a passenger, another one, you know. So they're on their way to the French Quarter Fest as well, you know. At least they're gonna watch the show when it uploads, when it airs on YouTube, you know. All right. Wow, it's gonna be a crowd after a while on here, you know. Last stop, I don't know where, you know. So,
Please do not eat on the vehicle.
in case anybody is wondering, and give it a hoot, you know. So, all right, I'm about to stop recording and stuff like that. I'll see y'all at the French Quarter Fest on YouTube Live and Facebook Live. All right, bye.